Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Ma'am Nurlela and friends. We're from Group 7 and now we'll be presenting about the future of payment. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ezraela Geraldine Detresia. I'm absent 11.
My name is Vivi, my absent is 35.
My name is Scholastica Rizal and I am absent 32.
My name is Falusita Zahra and absent 13.
Okay, so now we'll be discussing about 4 questions. The first question is, what is your opinion on future method of payment? So, the future of payment is shifting towards biometrics, where your face, voice, fingerprints, or even heartbeat can be used to complete transactions. This method offers several key benefits. First one, it is highly convenient. You always have your face, you always have your fingerprints with you. So there's no need to remember physical password, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Second, it provides greater security compared to traditional methods, as biometrics rely on unique personal traits that are much harder to replicate than weak passwords. Third, it works with your everyday devices, so you don't need a lot of complicated or even extra device to use it. You can use your smartphone that you use for your daily activity. But despite all of the benefits that I have mentioned, there is privacy and accessibility challenge that happens in the future methods of payment. For example, there are maybe people with disability or inability to use newer technology, so it will be harder for them to use the future method of payment, biometrics in this case. Ini. Nanti katanya.
And the next one is, what is the factor about people to use the cashless method and the next question is, in your opinion, what are the factors that cause people to use the cashless method? Okay, the answer is people are using cashless payment methods for several simple reasons. First, it's easy and fast to pay without cash. And the second one is many feel that cashless methods are safer than carrying cash. And the third one is new technology. New technology like smartphones and fingerprint scans and makes it simple to pay. And the last one is the COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic made people want to avoid touching cash. All these reasons help more people choose cashless payments.
And then the third question is, if you were to choose between a cash or a cashless method of payment, which would you prefer? For me personally, I would choose cashless method over cash because for its convenience. Cashless payments are hassle-free and easy to use, whether it's scanning a QR code, tapping a card, or even using biometrics. The process is seamless compared to using physical cash. And then the second one is security enhancements. Cashless payments offer greater security system with face, fingerprint, or even voice recognition, making it more secure than carrying cash. And then the third one is trackable transactions. Cashless payments also provide an automatic record of purchases, making it easier to track spending and manage finances.
So the last question is, in your country, do people prefer to use cash or cashless? So, source from Katadata, Bank Indonesia reported that electronic money transactions last year only reached 400 billion rupiah. The Indonesian public is increasingly enthusiastic about using cashless transactions. This is reflected in the electronic money transactions, which reached 399.6 trillion rupiah, 30.84% increase compared to 2021. Why? Why? The first reason is pandemic accelerates cashless shift. Accelerates cashless. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of cashless payment as people sought to minimize physical contact for health reasons. And second reason is convenience and practically. Digital payments over ease and convenience, enabling fast transaction without the need for cash. Additionally, cashless payments often provide cashback or bonus. And the third reason is younger generation as key drivers. Gen Z as a generation that quickly adapts to technology, adopts instant gratification principles, driving cashless lifestyle from e-wallets, mobile banking, and more. The last reason is transition towards a digital society. Indonesia is shifting towards a digital era with expanding access and acceptance of electronic payment methods across various sectors.
That is all from us. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention.